Welcome to the home of fine moving. This is how to wrap a sculpture for export when moving internationally.
Nellians. How to.
Start by placing the sculpture on a stable surface with plenty of room for movement. When ready, wrap the entire sculpture with newsprint. Legs are a good point to start since they're easy to wrap. Once the newsprint is in place, follow up with a layer of corrugated paper. At this point, we are trying to cover as much surface area as possible. Don't worry about any gaps that you leave, we'll fill them later on. So cover all the open spots that you can see and tape them up nicely. If some spots are too high to reach, place the sculpture on another stable surface on its side in order to reach them. Be keen when doing this to avoid exposing any of the sculpture's weak points. You can also take this chance to wrap the sculpture's base as well. At this point, you can then finish filling any remaining gaps in the wrapping. Finally, remember to label the item before loading.
Move with Nellians. Remember to like, share, subscribe.